Yo, what's up? What's up? It's Coach Nick Money, and in this episode, we're going to talk about a stock that we did a IPO video on before it actually IPO'd. The ticker symbol is BIAF, Bioaffinity Technologies Inc. So let's talk about it. Let's get right into it. There's a little bit of news in it. There was a little bit of volume on Friday. Today is December 3rd, 2022. There was volume on it December 2nd, Friday, 2022. Let me begin by saying we are not stock professionals. We're not financial advisors. We are doing this show for simply entertainment purposes. We're not giving you advice on buying, selling, holding, or any of that nature. We're just telling you what we're looking at and what we might do, and enjoy the show. Let's get right into it. BIAF, Bioaffinity Technologies Inc. Let's take a look at the chart that we have on the screen. We're looking at a 4-hour chart, 180 days, and you could see that when it IPO'd, it shot up to $15.55 before it dumped, basically, where it just completely fell down and collapsed. And right now it's curling up, but it is at $2.87. So let me begin by saying that we are basically day trading at this point because the economy is not terribly strong in our opinion. Again, this is just our opinion. You certainly do yourself. Do what you think is best for you. But, you know, we're not comfortable holding long term, and certainly this chart does not look like a stock that is a long-term play for us. That being said, the price is curling up. There were S4 filings by insiders where they acquired some shares, not a crazy amount of shares, but some shares, and that's always a positive thing. So, you know, that gave the price action a little bit of a bump. The thing that's interesting about the stock is that it is only a 6.67 million share stock, so it's an extremely low float stock. And the slightest catalyst will push the price action upward or downward. And the information that we saw last week, where there were S4 filings where insiders bought a small amount of shares for as of the company, made the price action start to move up. Now, they didn't buy a gazillion shares; they bought a few shares. But again, the price action did move up. So let's take a look at another chart where we're looking at the 1 hour and 20 day chart, and you could see that in that time frame there was a high of $3, and we are coming very close to that $3 mark. And if the price action can continue to push up, we can potentially see the price action going past the $3 mark. And if we go back to the other chart, we can see that there is room all the way up to the 200 EMA of $3.78. That is certainly a possibility. Volume is going to be critical. Okay, the movement on Friday after hours did not have a huge amount of volume. So if we can see a lot of volume, in my opinion, there's a possibility that this stock could have a nice little run soon. Okay, so it is on our watch list, and we're going to keep an eye on it. I like the float; it's really low. Hopefully, there's some news that follows the purchases that were done by insiders. They did buy some shares, and if you're going to buy shares, I mean, usually there's a reason why they're buying shares. Okay, so hopefully they're going to they're buying in anticipation of the price action moving up. The S4 does not indicate the amount that was spent for the shares. Let me just check one more area just to make sure. Let's see. I do not see what they purchased the shares at. Neither one of the S4s indicates it. Let me see if there's any other information here to give us an idea. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Okay. Um, no, nothing to that effect. So again, could be a catalyst, could not be a catalyst, but certainly BIAF is on our watch list. And if you want to see the video pertaining to the activity prior to its IPO that we did for this particular stock, the link will be in the descriptions. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to get information about our private Discord alerts on IPOs, our private Discord alerts on our picks, or if you want to join the public Discord, there will be links in the description below so that you guys can go ahead and do that. That being said, have a wonderful day, Indelibles, and we are out of here. Peace, baby.